Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change text color in Notion. So simply go to the page that you want to be change your text color, and in here you just need to highlight the part that you need to be change, or here you can see some of this option, and here you can see this option capital A. Whenever you tap on this option which is indicate text color, simply tap on here. And in here, you will see two options. The first one is text color, which means you can choose any color from here and it's gonna to be change your text color. And the second one is background color. So if you choose any color from here, this one is going to be add on your text background. So it's all up to you what you need to be changed. You can choose both or you can choose one of them. So I'm just gonna tap on this. I'm just gonna to be change my text color, and that's it. As you can see, the text color is changed. So it's pretty simple. You can also change this format. Simply highlight these options again and go to this text color option again. Or if you just need to be go your previous option, simply tap on this default text option, and that's it. Hope this video find it helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.